If you're committed to transforming your health and reaching your weight loss goals, it's time to challenge what you think you know about nutrition. In this video, you're going to uncover some of the most common nutritional myths that women need to stop believing. Each myth is carefully selected for its impact on your health and fitness journey. By the end of this video, you'll have the clarity to make informed decisions, debunk these misconceptions, and move closer to your goals with confidence. Skipping meals helps lose weight. Many believe that skipping meals, especially breakfast, is a quick way to shed pounds. However, skipping meals can lead to overeating later in the day and a slower metabolism. Instead of skipping, focus on balanced meals that keep your energy levels stable and support your weight loss journey. Carbohydrates are the enemy. Carbohydrates often get a bad reputation in weight loss circles, but not all carbs are created equal. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide essential nutrients and energy for your body. The key is to choose complex carbohydrates over refined ones to maintain a healthy weight and support your overall well-being. All fats are bad for you. Fats are essential for your body's functions, including hormone production and nutrient absorption. The myth that all fats are bad can prevent you from getting the healthy fats your body needs. Incorporate sources of unsaturated fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil into your diet for optimal health. Detox diets promise to cleanse your body of toxins, but your liver and kidneys already perform this function naturally. Instead of extreme detox diets, focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole foods to support your body's natural detoxification processes. The idea that eating late at night leads to weight gain is misleading. It's more about what and how much you eat rather than the timing. Consuming balanced meals and snacks throughout the day can help manage your hunger and prevent overeating, regardless of the time. Protein is crucial for everyone, not just those looking to build muscle. It aids in repairing tissues, supports immune function, and helps you feel full longer. Incorporate a variety of protein sources like lean meats, beans, and dairy into your meals to maintain a healthy body. Low-fat and fat-free products often contain added sugars and other additives to enhance flavor, which can be counterproductive to your health goals. Instead, opt for whole foods and products with healthy fats to provide your body with the nutrients it needs without unnecessary additives. While supplements can be beneficial in certain cases, they are not a substitute for a balanced diet. Focus on getting your nutrients from a variety of whole foods to ensure your body receives a comprehensive range of vitamins and minerals necessary for optimal health. Not all calories are created equal when it comes to nutrition and weight loss. The quality of the calories you consume matters just as much as the quantity. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provide more nutrients and support better health compared to processed foods with empty calories. Detox teas and supplements are often marketed as essential for weight loss, but they can do more harm than good. Relying on these products can lead to nutrient deficiencies and other health issues. Instead, prioritize a balanced diet and regular exercise for sustainable weight loss and overall well-being. Before we dive into the next important myth, take a moment to check the video description below. You'll find free resources specifically created for you to support and empower you on your weight loss journey as a woman. From nutrition guides to habit trackers, everything is designed with your needs in mind to help make each of these steps easier and more effective. Go ahead and take a look. You deserve the best tools on your path to feeling and looking your best. Make sure to download what you need. All right, let's get back to the video. Another common misconception is that eating healthy is always more expensive. While some healthy foods can be pricier, there are plenty of affordable options like beans, lentils, seasonal vegetables, and whole grains. Planning meals and buying in bulk can also help you maintain a nutritious diet without breaking the bank. You can target fat loss in specific areas. Spot reduction, or targeting fat loss in specific areas of the body, is a myth. Your body loses fat in a pattern determined by genetics and overall body composition. Focus on a combination of healthy eating, cardio, and strength training to reduce overall body fat and improve your physique. Organic foods are significantly healthier. While organic foods are grown without synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, they aren't necessarily more nutritious than their non-organic counterparts. The most important factor is to include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet, whether they are organic or conventionally grown. Diets are a temporary solution. Many people view diets as a short-term fix rather than a long-term lifestyle change. Sustainable weight loss comes from adopting healthy eating habits and making gradual changes that you can maintain over time, rather than following restrictive diets that are difficult to stick to. You need to eliminate entire food groups. Eliminating entire food groups can lead to nutrient deficiencies and make it harder to maintain a balanced diet. Instead of cutting out specific foods, focus on moderation and incorporating a variety of nutrients into your meals to support overall health and weight loss. High-intensity workouts are the only way to burn fat. While high-intensity workouts can be effective for burning fat, they are not the only option. Low to moderate intensity exercises like walking, swimming, and yoga can also contribute to fat loss and improve your overall fitness levels. Find activities you enjoy to stay consistent and motivated. Eating more frequently boosts metabolism. The idea that eating more frequently boosts metabolism is not entirely accurate. What matters more is the total number of calories consumed and the nutritional quality of your meals. Focus on balanced meals and listen to your body's hunger cues to maintain a healthy metabolism. You must follow strict meal plans to lose weight. Strict meal plans can be difficult to adhere to and may lead to feelings of deprivation. Instead, aim for flexible eating patterns that allow you to enjoy a variety of foods while maintaining a calorie deficit for weight loss. This approach is more sustainable and easier to maintain in the long run. All low-carb diets are the same. Low-carb diets come in various forms, each with different approaches and guidelines. Understanding the specific type of low-carb diet you're following is crucial to ensure it aligns with your health goals and nutritional needs. Research and choose a plan that suits your lifestyle and preferences. Sugar-free means healthy. Sugar-free products often contain artificial sweeteners and other additives that may not be beneficial for your health. It's important to read labels and be aware of what's in your food. Opt for natural sources of sweetness, like fruits, to satisfy your cravings in a healthier way. Embracing the truth about these nutritional myths empowers you to make better choices for your health and weight loss journey. Remember, informed decisions lead to lasting results and a healthier, happier you. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to subscribe to ShapioX. Leave a comment sharing which myth surprised you the most, and share this video with friends who might benefit. Click the notification bell so you never miss an update, and be sure to watch our next video for more tips on achieving your fitness goals naturally. Your journey to better health starts now.